So this is the star of the show for our fish main course. This is the hake with the curry sauce and fried pickled chili scraps. I've just warmed through the curry sauce on the hob. We're just going to add that into the bottom of our bowl. Then on top of that, a delicious bed of just gently wilted spinach. I haven't taken this down too far. There's still quite a bit of body and a bit of crunch in the spinach. But that just goes into the centre of the hake. The centre of the bowl for the hake to sit on. Just stack that up in the centre of the bowl. Then we're going to go in with our hake. This has just been left to rest, finished with some sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. And we're going to place this into the centre of the bowl on top of our bed of spinach. And then the whole dish gets finished with, for me, this is the little cheeky star of the show, these lovely crispy pickled chilies sit on top. They're going to add a little bit of heat, a little bit of crunch, a little bit of texture to the dish. Just top them. Stack them up. And that is our delicious fish main course of pan roast hake with a curry sauce, pickled chili scraps and a bed of spinach.